Alright guys, here you can see me talking in German, so that's a voiceover, but I hope I can explain everything to you. So this is going to be a time-lapse DIY instruction for like how to build the bed that you could see in the thumbnail. So like right here, right now, I'm explaining everything in German. So nothing fancy. There's like going to be a 8 minute or so time lapse of how I'm going to put everything together. All the wood I'm using is recycled wood, and yeah, then I use my tools and my skills and everything and build everything together. So I hope this is going to be inspiring for one or the other for to you. So yeah, without further ado, I give you my time lapse. So here it is. I hope you had fun watching it, and I really hope that I could inspire you to do something like this as well. It took me like 4 days, like six hours a day. So this in this time lapse it looks way less time intense than it actually was, but well, therefore the finish is like really good, and this was important for me. I did not just want to build a bed, but I really wanted to have it in a way that it looks pretty nice, and I think it does. So this here, by the way, the wood, it's like from an old child's bed, and this is like the inlay from my old bed that I used before. So, well, I recut it and reassembled everything, and well, I'm really proud of myself and proud of what came out of it. So I hope I could anyhow inspire you, and in case I did, I would really much appreciate if you leave me a like, a comment, or even a subscription. And please feel free to send me pictures and videos of what you did. I would be really happy to see that. Alright, goodbye, have a nice time, and you can see me in the next video.